Hello, students. Welcome to yet another class of accountancy. ISC class 12th, chapter number 7, issue of debentures. My dear students, we were discussing the topic issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. That means when debentures are issued either to the underwriters or to the vendors, that means suppliers or creditors, so we call it as issue of debentures other than cash. And same way shares are issued other than cash. In the previous chapter we did the entries related to the same topic, that is consideration other than cash. So we are going to discuss few more question to make the concept more clear. Question number 6, Sudhir Limited took over asset. So he's basically purchasing a running business where assets are costing 8,50,000 and liabilities are taken over at 1,50,000, and he has agreed to pay 7,20,000 to Gopal Limited. Okay, now we have to check whether how much payment is made. See, asset is taken for 8,50,000 and 1,50,000 is liability, so the remaining amount should be 7 lakh, but the amount is paid, which is paid is 7,20,000. That means they are paying 20,000 extra. Why they are paying? Tell, remember what point I have told. When the business is purchased and extra amount is paid, what is the difference called? Yes, correct. Goodwill. That means he's paying 20,000 for goodwill. Okay. Sir, if he has paid less than 7 lakh, for an example, if he had paid lesser amount like 6 lakh 50,000, then what would be that 50,000? That would have been capital reserve because less amount is paid. So that is a capital gain that will be transferred to capital reserve. That means when assets and liabilities are taken over and the amount paid to the liquidator or the company, then if the amount paid is extra, the difference will be debited to goodwill account, and the amount paid is less, then it will be transferred to capital reserve. Okay, let's move on to the solution. Here we go. So assets are taken over. Assets account debit to liabilities 1,50,000 to Gopal Limited. Now the difference of 20,000 will be transferred to goodwill account, balancing figure. Okay, this is your balancing figure, 20,000. Okay, so the benefit of purchasing a running business, that's why. And if in this case we have paid less amount like 6,90,000, if I am just taking example, if here 6,90,000 is paid, then the amount will be transferred to capital reserve. Capital reserve 10,000. Okay, so this is the journal entry. Now the payment is to be made to whom? Gopal Limited. Gopal Limited will be debited now to 12% debentures account and to securities premium. Now we don't know how much debentures to be issued. So how to calculate number of debentures to be issued? 7,20,000 is the amount to be paid and 1,20,000 is the value of the debentures to be issued. Okay. because it is 20% premium. That means 20% of rupees 100. So what is the cost of debenture? Rupees 120. So when we will divide the amount by the value of one debenture, we got the total number of debentures to be issued. This is 6,000. Now this will be 6,000 into 100, that is 6 lakh, and 6,000 into 20, that is 1,20,000. Okay, this is the manner of calculating. Is this point clear? Shall we move on to the next question? Now we'll do this question number 8. Mooncraft Limited purchase machinery. So machine is purchased, from whom it is purchased, not mentioned. So we will use the word either vendor or supplier, and for it sufficient number of 5% debentures are issued. Now there are two cases given. Two cases is given, discount, and one is at discount. That means here the value of debenture will be 90, and in this case it will be 120. Okay, here we go. So first entry will be machinery to vendor's account, 2,70,000 being machinery purchased. Now first case, when the debenture was issued, so how much debentures we have to issue? 2 divided by 90, that means 3,000 debentures is to be issued in first case. So vendor's account debit, discount account debit to 5% debentures account. Okay, now this expense is to be written off. See whether question ask you or question don't ask. Loss on issue of debentures is to be, or any expense for the issue of debentures is to be written off, and the manner of writing off is statement of profit and loss account debit to, it is to be debited to discount on issue of debentures, this 30,000. Okay, and now calculation, I have already told you, here is the calculation. Okay, now case second, what will be the entry for payment? Vendor's account debit to 5% debentures account to securities premium reserve. Here the value was how much? 120. So what we have to write now? 2250 debentures, number of debentures. This much is to be issued. Okay. So both the cases are clear to you. Now we'll do one more question in this lecture, then remaining question up to question number 12 is your homework. We will do question number 11. So up to question number 12 your homework after the end of this lecture. Okay. Okay sir, we will do very easy chapters. Yes my dear, very easy. Now sir, you are moving very fast while showing the solution. My dear student, you can stop anytime you want. You can have a screenshot, isn't it? smart students studying through online mode. So X limited purchase assets of rupees 8 lakh and liabilities of rupees 1 lakh, and it is purchased from Y, and 2 lakh is paid immediately, and the balance by issue of rupees 4 cent of this value they have issued. Now tell me students, 8 lakh 7 lakh rupees is to be paid. Is this clear? 2 lakh out of which is given immediately, that means 5 lakh is to be paid, and they are issuing debentures of 4 lakh 75,000. Now anyone will take lesser amount? No. So this 25,000 is what? Securities premium reserve. Is this clear? They are not saying that they have paid this much amount, they are saying of this value. So if we have to make a payment of 5 lakh, then why the person will take lesser amount? Isn't it? That means that 25,000, which is the difference, will be, yes, securities premium reserve. See the solution. Sir, if they have paid 5 lakh 10,000 rupees in that case, so 10,000 would have been the discount on issue of debenture. Okay. See the solution. So on first four, assets is purchased from Y Limited, assets and liability. So we will say as business purchase. What was the value of asset? 8 lakh. Liability is 1 lakh, and the remaining 7 lakh to be paid to Y Limited. See, Y Limited is paid immediately, and the balance, that means 5 lakh 7 minus 2 lakh, that is 5 lakh is to be paid by the issue of debentures. So the debenture issued is, the value of debentures is 4 lakh 75,000. That means remaining 25,000 is what? Securities premium reserve. Okay. Here direct value was given, so we cannot calculate the number of debentures to be issued because the uh, face value of debentures was not mentioned. Okay. Is this point clear to you? So your homework, as I told you, you have to complete up to question number 12. Up to here you have to complete. The next topic, that is debentures issued against collateral security, will discuss in the next lecture. Till that time, have a good day. Stay at home, stay blessed, stay safe, do more and more questions, study hard. Okay, okay, my dear students, bye bye.